Hello everyone! Today we will be taking a look at my Trackmaster custom, well, technically Playrel custom, but I'm still going to call it Trackmaster anyway because they're basically the same thing. Anyway, today we will be taking a look at my Trackmaster custom of Oigawa Railway Toby. For those who don't know, the Oigawa Railway is a heritage railway in Japan. They do Day Out with Thomas events, and they have a specific amount of engines that have been painted up to look like Thomas characters. And recently, they added Toby to their fleet. Now, they used an electric diesel locomotive for Toby, which is pretty ironic because Toby is, a steam engine. But aside from that, honestly, I think it looks pretty cool. And I thought it would be cool to make a custom of it too. To make this custom, I used a Playrel EF210 electric diesel locomotive. Making this custom really wasn't that hard as it was just a simple repaint. All I did was I just primed the body of the engine and then painted it in a chocolate brown. The windows, lights, and roof were masked with Tamiya masking tape so that they would have straight lines. Parts of the roof were also detailed with a silver permanent marker. The number 7 was custom made, printed, and glued onto the side of the engine. Some of the vents were also painted black. A darker shade of brown was also used to represent the cab doorway. The face is from a Trackmaster push-along Toby. This was a pretty fun Trackmaster custom to make, and honestly, I really want to make more Oigawa Railway-styled Thomas characters. Perhaps in the future I'll do maybe Henry or Gordon. I don't know, we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what do you guys think of this custom.